Hello from Kyrgyzstan. I am the member of National Parliament or Kyrgyz Republic, НУРЖИГИТ КАДЫРБЕКОВ. Now I am in the Batken region of Kyrgyz Republic. We have visited to several camps where now so many refugees from bordering areas between Kyrgyzstan and Tajikistan. So many children, so many older people, so many women. They are now forced to leave their houses, and their houses have been looted, burned, destroyed. By whom? By the soldiers of Tajikistan, because Tajik military forces, they made occupation and aggression against some Kyrgyz territories. Despite of that, Tajikistan authorities try to lie, to convince international society that as if Kyrgyz side attacked first. It's not true. You can just check. Any Tajikistan village was not suffered, but so many Kyrgyz villages, they are suffering, and so many people became refugees. Now we are living in the 21st century. We have to solve all kinds of problems by diplomatic measures, not by using military forces. It doesn't bring to the good results anytime. The fair and the truth is in our side. We will win. And I would like just to apply your attention to this issue. All leaders who respect international law, international rules, they should understand that aggression took place from Tajikistan side against Kyrgyz Republic. We are defending our sovereignty. We are defending our country, our land. And so many soldiers, they were killed. But at the end, we will win. Because, as I said already, the truth and the fair is in our side. Kyrgyzstan always respects international law. We are member of UN, and we respect, we always follow international agreements and law. But it's very bad precedent, and I hope that we can solve this problem together. I wish happiness, I wish wellness, I wish all the best to all the nations of the world. And I never blame Tajikistan's population. It's the mistake and the fault of their political and military leadership. We should be together. We should win together such kind of evils. Thank you.